guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be making for you is some coconut curried fish. This is a turbot, so hopefully you guys will enjoy the recipe. And don't mind the pot, like he couldn't hold in the long pot, so anyways, it should be good. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so in starting out, I don't know how persons do it. I think they say like they burn the curry, but I just put in my curry first with a little bit of oil. So just putting that in. Just the curry. And the stove is not very high. Actually, I just turned it down. What's that? Turned it down a bit because alright guys, so I just regular oil, just a little. Alright, then I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil to it. A little bit. Just a bit. Alright. I don't like curry too oily, so yeah. I'll add my Scotch Bonnet peppers. Anybody likes peppers like me? Add peppers. Add some scallion. Scallion to the mix. Then I add some thyme, and I like to add tomatoes. You don't have to, but like I like adding tomatoes, so I'll add tomatoes too. And the thyme, tomatoes and thyme, and then I just mix. Alright guys, so after this I'm just going to add just a little bit of water to it. And then mix everything up again. So I'm going to still add a little bit more water because I want to have a lot of gravy because I like gravy. I'm going to add a little bit more water to it. Alright, so adding some more water to it, and that should be fine. And then guys, the kind of fish that I'm going to curry is the turbot. I don't know if you guys know that one. I've never done curried the turbot before, so this is going to be new for me. So I am going to just put it in here now, and then also just give it a few minutes before I add the coconut milk. Alright, so maybe everyone does it different, but I wait until it starts to like boil a little bit before I actually put in the fish. So I'm going to put in the turbot now because as you can see it's starting to boil up a bit. So I'm going to add it. What I did was I seasoned up the turbot with like some chicken some fish seasoning and some salt. Not a lot of things, and I'm gonna add it in. Here it goes. Can it hold in the pot? Oh my, it barely holds, right? But that's fine. So that's the turbot. It's one disturbing looking fish. And then also what I'm going to add on it is some butter. Right, just to the top of it there. Just add a little bit of butter to let it sort of steam down with it. And yes guys, this is one disturbing looking fish, I know. Alright, but then when this starts to cool down a little bit, I'm gonna add the coconut milk. Now remember, I don't know if everyone does this also, but for the coconut milk I normally just dip a little bit of salt into it because you know you don't want your belly to send you to the bathroom. So yeah. Alright guys, so now it's boiling, so I'm just going to add the coconut milk. I used 1 pack of coconut milk. So I'm just going to add that. And I'm going to add it all at once, just a little bit first. And then, so that's not all of the coconut milk just yet. Just a little bit. Alright, I think I can add a little bit more because I like when it has a more coconutty flavor, if that makes sense. I'll wash the fish with it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to cover it up now and allow it to boil down, and then you guys will see it. Alright, so just checking in on it. It's looking good so far. So as I told you guys, I like to add cock soup to everything. So I'm just going to put in a little bit of milk. I love the noodles, to be honest. So I'm going to add a little bit to just taste it. Alright guys, so the fish is looking great. So what I'm going to do next is just to add a little bit of cornstarch, just so that it can thicken up a bit. As well as I'm going to add a few okras. I don't know, I like okras, so I'm going to add some okras to it. Just a few, not a lot. See? Just a little. Ain't nothing like some good old okra with fish. Alright? And then just a little bit of the starch to thicken it up in the meantime. Alright, so I'll show you guys when it's finished.